What is Line 5?
It's transporting about 540,000 gallons a day of product.
And when you say product, say
yeah,
what that is.
So that's light crude oil and natural gas liquids. It's never had an incident here in the Straits, so it is a...
But I do have to interrupt. You can't say it's never had an incident in reference to in the Straits, but I mean there's been anchor hits and things along that line.
Yeah, there's never been a release of product.
It's old, 70 plus years. Early reports said that you were planning on using it for about 50 years. What's your response to the folks who say, listen, there's been some 33 leaks since back in the 50s. You know, that has to be of some concern that it's happened 33 times.
70 years we've been operating the pipeline. And if you
so
look
every
at those
other year
numbers,
you would have a leak if you're going to do the numbers.
The last 20 years, there have been 5 releases of product on the line.
Is 5 okay? There's a plan. What is the plan and why is this a better plan? It's an Enbridge tunnel. It's a Canadian company coming into Michigan. You've got the governor, you've got the attorney general fighting this. How does that make you feel as a company that, from that perspective, you're not wanted? Do you understand why they're fighting this? You have to ask if safety is number one. You're talking to a company that had the largest inland spill in Marshall years ago. So you have to understand there's a little bit of erosion of trust there and worry. What does Enbridge say to those Michigan taxpayers who paid an estimated $1 billion for that cleanup? What do you say to the experts who say this is the worst location out of everywhere you could pick in Michigan? This is dangerous. Could you use another pipeline and achieve this and not put Michiganders and their water at risk?
Line 5, Thursday at 5:30.